Ko ia tētahi o ngā toa o te ao waiata Māori. Kua whitu tau a Seth Hapu e mahi ana hei kaihautu waiata ki te arataki i te hunga mātā puputu e pihi ake ana. Engari, ka hoki anō ia ki te papatū waiwai, ki te whakatūwhera i te kono hete o te korokoro tui rongonui o te ao a James Blunt. Kei a te rina kōwhai, te roa ngāke.
He mahuri pūkenga rau ia, engari he tangata humari e hoki.
I've always enjoyed working behind the scenes. I think that's where a lot of the mahi happens, and often when we see a song or see a video, it's a very small portion of, you know, everything that's happened before, and I love to be a part of the preliminary stages where everyone, it's the creative process and my heart lies there.
A kua mahi ngātahi ia ki te taha o Maisie Rika, rātau ko Rob Ruha, ko Sons of Zion, ko Teeks. He oi ko tēnei tōna ake tau, tana mahi tuatahi ki te toko ake i te kai waiata rongonui a James Blunt.
It's been really cool to support an artist of that calibre, and as a songwriter I always find it really cool to be able to be in the company of people that have that ability to share their craft so well.
You're beautiful. Ki tōna tūtakitanga tuatahi ki te korokoro tui nei, ka puta ko te ao marama.
We were about to have a kai and I made my way straight to the dessert because it looked amazing, and I just heard, "Hi, I'm James," and turned around and he was there. For me, it's always inspiring to see artists of that level just be themselves and be good to people.
Think I'm in love.
Ki tā hāpū, ko tōna hoa me te kai waiata a Stan Walker, tētahi atu tangata whai pūkenga, ngā kau māhaki anō hoki.
He is an amazing writer. I think people often see him as a public figure that has an amazing voice and a powerful story, but you know, working with him in a writing sense, I've been able to learn from him as well. I can say that he's the man at that.
He ringa rau pā a hāpū, nāna anō I whakanau tana kōpai pūoro.
I feel really happy and excited about sharing these songs. My melodies are influenced by things like the ocean and our people, and I've also incorporated elements of our own musical instruments in my music, because for me that's who I am.
I'm in love.
Hei ngā marama e heke mai nei, ka puta tana kōpai pūoro hou. Te rina kōwhai, te karere.